Today we're going to talk about how to add an assignment that will create a document for each student, so each student will have a copy. So we're going to be under classwork, create assignment. We're going to want to title this assignment and then we're going to want to add instructions. When we're ready, we're going to add the document that we want, which is our rubric. We're going to add it. Now, in order for each student to get a copy of it, we are going to change this from View File to Make a Copy for each student. Once we've done that, we're going to make sure that we have it set to the number of points we want. Add a due date, and then make sure that it is under a topic that will make sense and be able to be easy to find. And then once we have that all done, we are ready to assign the assignment. And then it shows up right here, and each student will have a copy of the document for themselves to fill out.